My name is Sajid Mishra and I am going to present a topic on function.
Now let us know what function is. A function assigns exactly one element of one set to each element of other set. A function is a rule that assigns each input exactly one output. A function f from a to b is assignment of exactly one element of b to each element of a, where a and b are non-empty set. A function f from set a to set b is represented as f mapping a to b, where a is called domain of f and b is called codomain of f. If b is unique element of b to element of a assigned by a function f, then it is written as f of a is equals to b. A function f map a to b means f is a function from a to b. Now let us understand about domain of a function. If f is a function from set a to set b, then a is called domain of a function f. The set of all input for function is called its domain. Now, codomain of a function. If f is a function from set A to set B, then B is a codomain of a function f. The set of all allowable output for a function is called its codomain. Pre-image and image of a function. A function f mapping A to B such that for each A belongs to capital A, there exists a unique B belongs to capital B such that A comma B belongs to R. Then A is called the pre-image of f and B is called image of f. Now let us understand the types of a function. Now in types of function, first we will know about one-to-one function. A function in which one element of the domain is connected to one element of the codomain. A function f mapping A to B is said to be a one-to-one function, and this is called injective function also. If different element of A have different image in B, a f mapping A to B is one to one if and only A is not equal to B and f of A is not equals to f of B for all A and B belongs to A. Onto function, or we can say it subjective function. A function f mapping A to B is said to be onto function if every element of B in an image of some element of A. Let us take example that f of A is equals to B, or range of f is called codomain of f. A function in which every element of codomain has one pre-image. F of A f mapping A to B is onto if for such B belongs to capital B, there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B. One to one onto function, or we can say it bijective function. A function which is both one and onto is called as one correspondent function. Let f mapping A to B is one corresponding if one is f of A is equals to f of B, or A equals to B for all A comma B belongs to A, onto for which B belongs to capital B, there exists A belongs to capital A such that f of A is equals to B. Inverse of a function. Let f mapping A to B be a bijective, then a function g mapping B to A which associate each element B belongs to capital B to a different element A belongs to capital A such that f of A is equals to B is called inverse of f. F of A is equals to inverse of g of B equals to A. Composition function. Let f mapping A to B and g mapping B to C be two function, then a function g of composition f mapping A to C is defined at g of f x equals to g belongs to f of x for all x belongs to composite of f and g.